In this video, I will invite you to review Salvage Rebuild UK channel income from YouTube. Let's start. This is data from the Salvage Rebuild UK channel based on the Social Blade source. This Salvage Rebuild UK channel was created on the March 31, 2019. Until the time this video was created, the Salvage Rebuild UK channel had reached 288,000 subscribers, and have uploaded 713 videos. And total 90,102,225 videos has been watched. Let's see how much Salvage Rebuild UK channel total income from YouTube. This is views data from Salvage Rebuild UK channel. Daily views 45,862 views. Weekly views 321,034 views. And in the last 1 month Salvage Rebuild UK channel has been watched by 1,375,844 views. Okay, let's continue calculating Salvage Rebuild UK channel income from YouTube. In 1 month the Salvage Rebuild UK channel gets $344 up to $5,500. And in the last 1 year Salvage Rebuild UK channel earned $4,100 up to $66,000. This data is just an estimate from Social Blade. Of course, only Salvage Rebuild UK channel owner knows the real income. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to this channel, so I can continue to share information about your YouTuber earnings.